Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you step by step how to prescribe an EPSON printer model L6270. But first I want to leave you the invitation, if you liked the video, to like it and subscribe to my channel. Well guys, let's get started. Well guys, when you have this problem, a message will appear on the center panel of the printer, which says that the maintenance box has reached the end of its useful life and needs to be replaced. The same message will also appear on your computer screen. But to understand the problem, we will have to see what the maintenance box is. The box is a compartment where the ink from the head cleanings and all the prints we make falls. This has a kind of absorbent sponge which is responsible for absorbing all the ink that falls from our printer. So to fix the problem, we will have to do the following. We will have to have a resetter. We have to go back to the old system, which allowed you to reset cartridge by cartridge. You can no longer reset the printer with a program. We quote a reset on AliExpress, and it costs approximately $16. What does the reset do? The reset allows you to leave the printer in factory mode and reset the maintenance box. Now we will see how to reset the maintenance box. The first thing we will do is turn off the printer and place the maintenance box on the right side at the bottom. We're going to remove this screw as you guys see in the picture, and we're going to take the lid out. Then we are going to remove the maintenance box. If the sponges are collapsed, we recommend changing them completely. To reset the box, we must put the chip in the direction with the resetter contacts, as you see in the video. When resetting it, will go from red to green. The green light means that the box has been reset correctly. Now we put the reset box, we put the cover, and finally we put the screw. Now we are going to go to the front of the printer. We are going to turn it on, and we are going to press OK, and our printer will be ready to print. I hope I have helped you guys, and as always, I leave you the invitation to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.